Hi, this is SGDJPY and today it's Tuesday, 4th of March 2014 and the time is 18:10 GMT. We are looking at the H4 time frame of the pair. I'm going to give you a long signal, a buy signal, and since we have the chance to look at the time frames because this is a video signal, I would like to start with the bigger picture first, explaining to you step by step my long entry criteria according to my favorite 4 time frames strategy using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. The tools I'm using in total are four, Bollinger Bands, fractals, Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, and stochastics. So my favorite strategy uses 4 time frames. It doesn't matter which is the biggest one as long as the rules apply. So the biggest time frame is the one when we see a very fresh price Tenkan-sen cross. In this case we had the bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on the daily time frame. It is marginal, but I can start from the daily and then going to the H4. I wait to see a bullish Kumo breakout. So I guess here my idea was to use H4 as the biggest. Okay, sorry. So we had bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on the H4 time frame here. You see it, 1, 2 and something, 2 big candlesticks, bullish candlesticks above Tenkan-sen. Definitely a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross after a correction, after a plunge. So it is a fresh move. Then we go to H1, which is the next smaller time frame, and we expect to see there a strong bullish Kumo breakout validated by Chikou span. And we see the bullish Kumo breakout, and Chikou span needs very little to make a validation because it has to be not only above past price action but also above the Kumo. So first time frame H4 we had bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. We go to the second smaller time frame H1 and we expect to see a bullish Kumo breakout validated by Chikou span. On M30, which is the next smaller time frame, we expect to see everything bullish. It is. On M15 we wait for a correction, a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, and then we enter when we have a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. Now in this particular case, something like the move we had here. In this particular case, because I see the wild bullish momentum, I risk entering prematurely, although patience is always rewarded in trade. So if you want, you can wait for a correction and then a correction on M15 and then enter when you see something like this here happening. After a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, when you see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross with M5 and M1 100% bullish, then you enter. Now in this particular case we enter as soon as we see the correction on M15, okay, and we use H4 as our main time frame. We place our stop loss 150 pips below our entry, so we enter at the level of 80.50. we place our stop loss at the level of 79.0 and we wait till we start profiting on the H4 time frame. When we start profiting on the H4 time frame, we switch to M15 and we use my favorite exit and re-enter strategy. We exit when we see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on M15 and we wait for the correction, and we enter again when we see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on M15. Here another criterion for entering now is this wildly bullish pictures stochastics are giving me, although they are in overbought zone. Of course, the logic of the trade confirms that we should expect and we should wait for a correction. So if we go to M15, we will see that the correction is starting here. Okay, so and stochastics confirm that the price wants to make a correction. So it is wise for you to wait till you see something like the move we see here, with these red candlesticks going below Tenkan-sen. Tenkan-sen is the red line of Ichimoku. And when you see a blue candlestick, a bullish candlestick crossing and closing above Tenkan-sen, a strong bullish candlestick like the one here, jump in. Okay. Thanks for watching and happy pips.